Hi there. Welcome to the demo of Chooch AI. My name is Jeff Goldsmith. I'm going to introduce Kasim in a moment, and he's going to demo how to do training and recognition using our platform. Chooch is a visual AI platform, and I'm actually showing you our website, so you can learn more here. You can look at our demo app. You can learn about the product and different ways of using it on the edge or the cloud, what we do for different industries and so forth. And here's where you can sign up for the dashboard and start using the system for your for the hackathon. And so we've been around for about 4 years, 5 years, and we sort of opened it up to the public about 1.5 years ago. We're doing a lot of work in across industries, but the geospatial industry is of special interest to us because, as you see on our screen, it's entirely possible to detect things like wildfires, to detect features on the Earth. We haven't done much in space yet, like pointing cameras towards other planets and stars and so forth, but that's entirely possible. Anyway, I'm going to turn this over to Kasim so he can present how to use the system, and we look forward to seeing the results of your experiments using Chooch AI. Thanks.
Okay, thank you, Jeff. Hello, everyone. I'm Kasim. I'm the head of the training team. Today, I'm going to show you how to train a perception, aka a model, in our dashboard. This is the main page of our Chooch AI dashboard. When you sign up and log it in, you will see this main dashboard screen. Here we have few menu items. So I'm just gonna hit on training one here. After that, I will going to click on my objects. All custom trainings with annotations will be under the My Object tab. Those are object detection perceptions. So in order to create a perception, I need a data set. So I should create a data set first. So I'm just going to click on the data sets here. Here I can see my oldest data sets, older data sets here. I'm just going to click on create data sets, or you guys can upload a pre-trained data set from Kaggle, or if you have that annotations or images, you can simply upload them as a zip file. So I'm just going to create a simple and example data set about wildfire detection. Named it. Here, there is our annotation types. One is a bounding box, and other one is polygon. Bounding box is a rectangle. It's a light pen tool of Photoshop, so you can draw whatever you want. It's for more detailed images. So we are just going to use a bounding box here. I'm just going to upload my and upload it. Click on create data set. And after upload completes, it will be automatically open the detail page of data set. So here's my 2 images with thumbnails and with a little red warning icon. That means those images are not annotated yet. So I'm just going to click one of them. This is our annotation screen. So in here, you can just simply click and drag and drop to mark an area with a bounding box. When I after leaving a click, I need to add a label here. You can rename the wildfire here if you want. You can rename it. After that, you just need to click on save here or just rotate to next image. This is the second image that I uploaded. So I'm just gonna draw another rectangle here. Here's my class again. I'm just going to click on save icon here. After annotation is complete, that means I completed all annotations for this data set. I annotated all 2 images. So these red icons become a blue check icons. That means I annotated them. When you hover it, you will see that your annotated area. In the left, you can see the class name that you created. You can remove it if you want, or you can remove the images and keep, remove the tags or keep the images if you want, or you can just simply rename your tag. We have a little bit recommendations here. So in order to create a proper data set, a proper perception, for each class, you need to annotate at least 30 images. So this is 2, as you can see, but it should be at least 30 for a minimum data set number, we can say it. Oh, that means you can upload 15 images, but you can annotate multiple areas at once. So it will count as 4. So you actually need 30 annotations, not images, for creating an object detection perception. So I'm just going to go back to training my object again. After completed to each class as 30, so I just need to create a perception here, name my and simply select the data set here. So we can't see my just recently created data set. I didn't annotate 30 images. So I'm just going to switch the accounts from here. I have a wildfire perception that I completed before. When you hit on create button here, the training process will start, and training will be took approximately 1 hour. After training complete, you can just simply get inside your perception and you can start testing this perception, if is it accurate or not. So I'm just going to click on test via upload here and select my test image. And click on upload. This is the result screen of test via uploads. So in the left, you can see the bounding boxes of the results. When you hover them, the areas will be overlighted in the right column. And also, it's exact opposite. Also, we have JSON response here. If you can interested with response, detailed response with coordinates. Also, we have a mini reporting tool here. So when you hit on a correct here, it will give you a good report end of the screen. So I'm just going to click on correct here. This is a correct result. Let's assume this is the false one. So I'm just going to click on incorrect, and it's going to ask me, okay, it's not a wildfire. Well, what is it? So in some circumstances, you may have multiple classes like wildfire or just smoke. So you can just simply write down smoke here. Or if you saw one missing results here, in example, there's a wildfire smoke here, but it's not detected. You just need to click on missing results here, select which class is missing, and click on save. And it will automatically, it will automatically open the this image to you in your dataset. So it will add this image to your dataset automatically. And after that, you can click on report and see the F1 result of your perception. So F1 reports means the accuracy report of your perceptions regarding of your testing images. This is the basically how to train an perception on the Chooch AI dashboard and how can you test it. Jeff, is there anything you want to add?
Well, yeah, I mean, Marine and is there anything else you guys want to cover for this training? Perhaps we should go to the help section to look at where they can get video resources, both for the for training and for the API. Do you want me to do that? I can present my screen.
Yeah, that would be better.
Okay. So why don't you stop presenting and I'll present now. Okay, so let me present Chrome tab. And here we go. So here we are on the site again, and I want to show you where to go to get more help here. So if you go to the help section of the site, you can find the how to use Chooch videos, a dashboard overview. These videos are all, a minute or two long. And this one shows you a general overview of how to navigate the dashboard. This one shows you how to train for images. So if, for example, if you wanted to train for recognizing some, a feature in one of your satellite images, you can use this to learn how to train for that. And here's how to annotate. It's exactly what Kasim showed you, but another angle on this. So how to draw bounding boxes around things and train the system in that way. This video shows you how to do a polygonal annotation. So if you wanted to do a detailed annotation of something, and this video shows, if you're training with videos, you can use this tool, but I doubt you're going to do that. Then there's also the API. If you have time and you have the skills to integrate, the API is just at Chooch AI/API. And if you don't know how to, if you need guidance in how to use the actual coding, you can go to these API videos, and there's an overview of how to integrate with any kind of system. So if you have, if you're creating an app or you're creating a something on your desktop to interpret these images, so you can use the API to take a feed from the dashboard and interpret those images and then send metadata back. Again, it links both ways. I doubt you're going to use facial recognition for this, but it's available in case you're looking for faces. But object recognition, here's similar to what we just talked about, wildfire detection, and then custom image recognition. So it's all here on the website, any further documentation you need to use the system. Anyway, thanks very much. And we're going to be available for questions. So please let us know if you have any issues. And this is, again, where you can sign up and then start using the system.